Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful kid's scarf. Please check out the description box below for links to the pattern and additional information. Thank you for watching, commenting, liking this tutorial if you liked it, hitting the subscribe button if you haven't, and of course sharing the YouTube link with your friends. Now let's get started. To begin, I have chosen some worsted weight acrylic yarn. This is Red Heart Super Saver. You will also need a J 6.00mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle for weaving in ends. Create a slip knot. Insert your hook and chain 19. 1, 2, 3. Once we get to a chain of 19, I'll meet back up for the next step. Here is my chain of 19. Now to begin row 1 of the scarf, you're going to double crochet into the 4th chain from hook. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. This loop on your hook does not count as a chain. So to double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that 4th chain, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops for a double crochet. Now you're going to simply double crochet into each chain all the way back. At the end, you should have 17 double crochet. You will be counting this chain here as one of the double crochet. Here is the end of row 1. Now to create the basket weave texture, we're going to be using front post and back post double crochet. To begin row 2, chain 2 and turn. This chain 2 is going to count as a half double crochet. So we're going to be skipping over this first stitch right here, and into the next 3 stitches, we're going to be front post double crocheting. To front post double crochet, yarn over, and we're going to be catching the post of the stitch. So instead of going into the top of the stitch here, we're going to be grabbing this post. So you're going to be going from one side of the stitch to the other. Grab your yarn and pull up a loop. There's our 3 loops for the double crochet. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops. And we're going to do that twice more. So one side to the other, grabbing my yarn and pulling up a loop. There's our 3 loops. Once, twice, and again. So there we have completed 3 front post double crochet. Now to create this beautiful texture, we're going to be doing 3 front post double crochet, and then the next 3 stitches are going to be 3 back post double crochet. So to do back post double crochet is a similar concept to the front post, except we'll be grabbing from the back of the work. So you're going to yarn over and insert your hook from one side to the other, but going from the back like this. Grabbing your yarn and pulling up a loop. There's our 3 loops. Then 2 loops and 2 loops for the double crochet, and then again into the next stitch, and then again into the 3rd stitch. So there's 3 back post double crochet, and we started with 3 front post double crochet. To continue, you're going to do 3 front post double crochet, and then 3 back post double crochet. Repeat until the very end, and I'll meet back up with you. So here I have repeated and ended with 3 front post double crochet. The very last stitch, which is this chain space right here, we're going to half double crochet into. To half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops for a half double crochet. Now we can begin row 3. To begin row 3, chain 2 and turn. Row 3 is going to be very similar to row 2 in the fact that we're going to start with 3 front post double crochet. So of course this stitch we're going to skip because that takes care of this. This chain is our half double crochet. So these next 3 stitches are where you're going to be front post double crocheting. So there I have 1, 2, 3. And then these 3 stitches you're going to back post double crochet. Go ahead and repeat these sets. 3 front post double crochet, 3 back post double crochet, ending with 3 front post double crochet, and then you're going to half double crochet into this chain, but I'm going to meet back up with you. So here is what row 3 looks like when I'm finished, and I'm just going to half double crochet into that chain 2 at the end here. So now we can begin row 4 and row 5. To begin row 4, chain 2 and turn. Row 4 is going to start off with 3 back post double crochet. So you're going to do these 3 with a back post double crochet. And then your next 3 is going to be a front post double crochet. Repeat this, 3 back post and then 3 front post one more time, and you're going to end with 3 back post double crochet. When we get over here, I'll meet back up with you. Here I have completed row 4, and I'm just going to finish off with the half double crochet into that chain at the end. So we started off with 3 back post double crochet, front post, back post, front post, ending with 3 back post. Now we can begin row 5. To start row 5, you want to chain 2 and turn your work. Now row 5 is going to start off with 3 back post double crochet. So it's going to be just like row 4. We're going to do 3 back post double crochet and then 3 front post double crochet. Repeat once more and then end over here with 3 back post double crochet. At the end of row 5, just place your half double crochet into that chain at the end. From here, we're just going to repeat row 2, 3, 4, and 5. So things you must remember for this pattern. You're going to do 3 of each twice, once, twice, and then end with whatever you started with. So also remember that row 2 and row 3 are going to start with front post double crochet, and row 4 and row 5 are going to start with back post double crochet. Go ahead and repeat this until your work measures about 50 inches from the beginning. Now, being this pattern is a little bit difficult to figure out which row you ended off with, I have done this little trick so that I can keep track of my rows. Use 4 different stitch markers and then write down which row is which color, and then just keep that with your work. I hope you enjoy crocheting this super easy kids scarf. If you would like to make this scarf in an adult version, I have worked up a wider and longer scarf. You can see more information on my website, jonnamartinez.com. Thank you for watching, commenting, liking this tutorial, sharing the YouTube link with your friends, and of course subscribing if you haven't. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!